Does the thought of open enrollment have you feeling like this? Don't feel drained during this busy time of year. Your eBix Benergy team is here to help see you through it. You have access to the same great team and best-in-class technology. Don't forget about the abundance of helpful resources located on our OEWorks microsite. Everything from training to the project timeline, our OEWorks site is a useful platform enabling you to effectively collaborate with our team. As a matter of fact, we've made some great updates to the microsite this year that we'll show you in just a minute. It's our goal to continuously improve your open enrollment experience during this busy time of year. Now that you're thinking about open enrollment, you may be wondering what's needed to start the process. As you know, planning is critical to ensuring a successful project. So, to get started, complete and submit the planning survey found on the OEWorks microsite. The planning survey provides the implementation team with the necessary information to configure your eBix enrollment system. Your implementation project manager will update the system to incorporate all necessary plan changes, EDI fee changes, active versus passive enrollment, and other critical information. It's important to note, it's not necessary to have all decisions finalized in order to complete the planning survey. We can start the process with just your anticipated open enrollment start date. Once you've submitted the planning survey, use the interactive timeline also found on the OEWorks microsite to track the implementation milestones for your open enrollment setup. Following completion of the planning survey and interactive timeline, your strategic account manager will schedule a call with you to discuss survey results and answer any questions. We'll also provide you with the OE setup spreadsheet, which covers the finer details for your open enrollment. And if you're changing carriers, we'll also provide EDI setup documents to capture those changes as well. As an HR or benefits administrator or broker working with the administrator, the OEWorks microsite is a tool that enables you to be fully prepared to launch and manage a successful open enrollment. So once you've completed the OE survey, the next step is reviewing the OEWorks site for updated collateral and changes. The first item you will notice is this new video we produced to assist as a visual guide through the OEWorks process. Another key element we've added to the site this year is the new OE timeline. We've created an interactive timeline that is more functional in helping you understand and track the milestones that need to be met in order to have a successful OE. Just simply enter your anticipated OE start and end dates. The timeline will adjust to display weekly milestones and deliverables. You will also find updates to the site's user interface, including the main navigation pane, to allow for easier access to the important content and resources you need most. Reviewing the OEWorks site as a part of your OE planning will make your life that much easier. Key points to keep in mind. With all the information we've presented here, it's probably best to summarize it in a few simple bullets. From start to finish, open enrollment implementation takes about 6 weeks. Review your interactive open enrollment timeline on a regular basis. Complete both the OEWorks planning survey and the OEWorks setup spreadsheet. This will give the implementation team a good understanding of the applicable plan changes, contribution changes, EDI changes, etc. Identify who will update the Benergy communication portal. That could be eBix Benergy, the broker, or the employer. Keep in mind, completely new EDI feeds will be worked on simultaneously during OE implementation. However, EDI feeds are separate projects and may not be ready in time for open enrollment. The enrollment administrator will need to complete and sign off on user acceptance testing prior to going live. Remember, the eBix Benergy team is here to assist you and to deploy the eBix Benergy enrollment solution in time for your open enrollment. Additionally, there are training materials along with both live and recorded training sessions to further assist you prior to open enrollment. We hope you like the changes you've seen to the OEWorks site. We strive each year to make open enrollment a smoother process for you. If you have any questions about any of the information you've seen here today, please reach out to your strategic account manager. Now, go take that survey.